Good morning, my friends. It is, let's see, 9:45 Saturday. Wow. Friday morning. I've been up since 6 o'clock. I had my theory class, and I've just done a bunch of stuff this morning. I am getting ready to leave, because Dad is home, today. He doesn't start his new job till Monday, but we need to run down to his job's office to pick something up, so I'm gonna ride with him. But I just wanted to check in with you guys really quick before we headed out. I will give you a very quick outfit of the day. It's nothing exciting as usual, but I will still show you. All right, here we go. Okay, so this t-shirt is from a concert I got last year. Running pants, I have no clue where I got these. I think they were a gift from my parents for Christmas. Shoes, I'm just going to throw on my Converse, which I got from, I think, Payless years ago. And yeah, that is my very exciting outfit of the day. So I think that's pretty much it for right now. On the agenda today, I need to study for finals next week. Mom and Dad are going tonight to his company Christmas party, so they'll be gone later tonight. So I'll get some time to myself. I'll probably just watch some YouTube. And yeah, there's really nothing exciting going on today. So today's gonna be a probably pretty boring Friday, but I will check in with you guys a little bit later. Alright, my friends, it is 5:35 Friday night. It's been a really busy day here at the Chance house. I kind of don't even know where to start. Did laundry, went down to Dad's job to get something. Let's see, practiced for choir in a week. What else? Had my academic coaching call from my college. Yeah. I told you guys this morning that Mom and Dad are heading to the company Christmas party, so they'll be leaving shortly. I have no idea what I'm going to be up to. Probably just watching some YouTube. I don't know. We'll see. Yeah.
Need some reddish lipstick.
I have some.
May I have some reddish lipstick?
Absolutely. This is Mama's outfit of the night. She's freshening up her makeup. And now we're gonna go look in my makeup for a reddish lipstick. So, yeah. The dogs are playing very, very nicely as usual, and Dad is getting La Placida for dinner for me, so he's off doing that. Yeah, so I think that's pretty much it for right now. I will talk to you guys a little bit later. Hey guys, it is 6:38 Friday night, and I finished my dinner. I had, I think I told you that. I had Mexican food, so yay, love it. Washed my face, and now I'm sitting here watching Full House, but it's my, don't judge me, it's my favorite childhood show, so don't judge me. And I'm gonna watch some YouTube. I'm gonna watch Kristen, and I think I have a video from Marlena from Makeup Geek. So I'm gonna watch that, and yeah, that's pretty much gonna be my night, and nothing else is really gonna go on that's exciting. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog here. I feel really stupid saying this, but I'm really, really sorry that today was not entertaining at all. I just had so much stuff going on today, and I wasn't able to bring the camera out very much. So I really do apologize for that, you guys. I apologize for any day that comes across as boring. I just, my life right now is pretty much school, so yeah. So anyway, I'm gonna end this vlog here for tonight, and I will see you guys in the morning. Good morning, my friends. It is 9:45 Saturday morning, and excuse me. This house is very busy this morning. We are cleaning the house because my dad's mom, so my Nana, is coming in today to visit. And so she's from out of town, and so she's, so she is gonna come in to visit, and we have to get the house, I don't know what the right word is, but, yeah, so we have to get the house, I guess, presentable for, family. So, that's going down right now. I've already showered. I wanted to show you my outfit of the day really quick. It's nothing exciting, and by the way, I don't know if you could hear me over all that, but Mama's just vacuuming. So yeah, so here we go. Okay, so this sweater you've seen before. I got it from, I believe, Kohl's. It's super comfortable. It's a little bit bigger than I usually like sweaters, but I prefer them to be a little bit bigger, just so so I have a little bit of room to have them be comfy. I don't know. Jeans are from Kohl's as well, and Converse Payless, I think, like years ago. Yeah, so that is pretty much my outfit of the day. And that's honestly what's going down in Ben's house today. Before we go into the craziness of the noise, I did want to tell you that filming today is not going to happen just because of Nana coming in. So what I'm going to do is figure out, because my November favorites, I really want to get those filmed because I have to start working on my December favorites. But I think what I may do is I may just combine November and December Best in Beauty. I think that's just going to be easiest because I think the two favorites videos are going to go up too close to each other. I don't know. I still need to figure that out. If I don't, the November favorites video will hopefully be filmed and up sometime next week, towards probably the end of the week. And the other two videos, my holiday, I have a holiday review I need to do, and actually two holiday reviews, and holiday gift guide that I need to do. All that's going to get moved to next week. I will have some time because I'm taking time off from school after finals are done on, let's see, my last day of classes is Wednesday. So once my classes are done for the semester, I will have 2 weeks to do videos. So that's what I'm planning on doing. And I'm hoping to get everything out and up for you guys when everything's still in stock. I'm praying that nothing's gonna go out of stock. So that's kind of what my filming schedule is gonna be for the next week. I'm sorry. I know that I said, I think on Snapchat, that I would get some stuff filmed today and up this upcoming week, but it's just not gonna happen with today. So I apologize. I think that's really it for right now. Dad's in the shower, Mom's vacuuming. Yeah, we're just going today. So I'll let Mom say hi. Say hi, Mama.
Vacuuming.
Yeah, Mama's vacuuming. Moki is scared somewhere. I don't know where she went. Yeah, she's hiding. Yeah, so. Yikes. That is pretty much it for right now, so I will check back with you guys in a little bit. I will try and get some footage of my Nana, and I think Papa's coming. So I will try and get some footage when they're here. So, see you in a bit. Okay, my friends, so I just thought I would,
She can't not film.
I
She has to
can't,
put it on her
I
phone.
can't not film. So,
Oh,
Mom, so we just went to Winco.
the
and
Winco.
The Winco. Thank you, Mother. And, she forgot, because we're making
Homemade.
homemade marshmallows and hot chocolate. Well, she forgot
The cocoa.
the cocoa.
The most important ingredient.
Big important ingredient, and oh whoops, we forgot it. So we need to go back to Winco and get it. Yeah. And I'm so mad because my camera is charging, so my camera battery is charging at home, and so I'm using my phone right now.
She's missing all this
And
fun stuff.
I'm so sad. I'm so sad. I missed a bunch of funny stuff in the store. I'm so sad. Oh well, it's okay. I will, once my camera battery's charged, I will film how we're gonna make everything. So, yeah, we've got 2 hours before Nana comes. So the house is cleaned up and we're getting there. All right, I'll talk to you guys a little bit later. Hey guys, it is 4:12 Saturday afternoon. It's for the marshmallows. We've been busy today. I told you guys this morning that my Nana and Papa were coming over, so they just left. So we spent the day with them, which was really nice to see them. Because Nana's going in for surgery on Monday. So, not this coming Monday, the 21st. So we got to spend a little bit of time with her. So, yeah. So, now, we're gonna make, the grandparents, their Christmas presents. We're gonna make, so we've done mugs, and we've, I'll show you. So the mugs we've done, let's see. Where did you put them, Mom? Okay. Oh, there we go. So this is what we've done. So we've put little snowman face and each of their names. And so they'll get that, and they'll get hot chocolate, homemade, and homemade marshmallows. So that's what we're doing right now.
I'm making marshmallows.
Yeah, Mom's making the marshmallows. So,
I've done it before.
yeah, we'll see. I'll put the recipes down below for.
They are vanilla bean
So,
marshmallows.
vanilla bean marshmallows and salted caramel hot chocolate something. I'll put the recipes down below for you guys. So that's currently what we're doing right now. I apologize that I didn't vlog when Nana and Papa were here.
He's a very bad blogger.
I am a little bit. I wanted to be able to
bad,
spend some time
naughty.
with them. So
Very naughty, Mama.
I'm sorry. Yeah. So that's currently what we're doing right now. And yeah. So we worked outside and got some stuff out of the shed into the toy hauler, so that we could get some stuff up off the ground before we have some pretty big rainstorms hit. So, and then we got to go through all the crap that's in the toy hauler. So, right, Daddy?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, got to go through the crap. Daddy's sitting over here watching TV.
Oh, what did you do?
Didn't do nothing.
She made the ball go down that.
Oh no, Mocha made the ball go underneath the oven. That's great.
I can't get it right now, Mocha.
That's just fabulous. All right.
Play with another ball. Are you kidding me? Jeez.
Alright, that's pretty much it for right now, so I'll check back with you guys in a little bit. Okay, this is extended family cooking in progress.
How do you do the vanilla bean?
She's trying to figure out how to do scrapings.
Siri, what the hell do you do with a vanilla bean?
It says One vanilla bean, seeds scraped. What the hell does that mean?
How do you scrape a vanilla bean?
Is it the inside of it? Oh, maybe so.
Okay, I found this on the web for how do you scrape a vanilla bean.
It says go to Walmart and buy the bean. How to scrape it? Oh, look at there, Martha Stewart.
Thank you. There
And
you
there's
go.
a video and everything.
Well, show it quickly.
Watch out! Wake up! Mm.
I don't know what you guys are seeing right now, so sorry if you're looking at
Look,
the
it
floor.
looks like poo on my finger.
First, you.
You open the bean. Does it say to
Okay.
open the bean
Oh,
yet?
here we go.
Here we go.
All right. Come on. My sugar is done. Come on, my
Woo! We're scraping vanilla beans.
gosh. Do it.
It's Martha Stewart.
Well, get on with it already. What the hell are you listening to?
Well, it's a
Oh my gosh.
it's a thing on Nutella.
I'm thinking you do the inside.
Okay, here we go.
Let's go.
46 seconds.
All right, hurry it up.
Ding.
How to scrape a vanilla bean. Have a vanilla bean. Then place it cut side up. Hold the knife perpendicular to the bean and run the blade over each cut side. Bearing down and scrape out
Oh dear.
5,000 flavor packs.
All right. So I guess I don't use the outside like I was trying to do.
Scrape the inside and make the poo on your fingers. What the hell are you scraping?
Oh dear.
You got on me. Cha. Damn it.
Okay, there was your 46 seconds.
All right. Thank you, Master Tom.
Tom? Who the hell's Tom?
How do you get it off of the knife?
How the hell do you get the vanilla bean off the knife?
It looks like poo.
Humans have religion. I just have silicone.
What?
What the hell that means?
What was
I
that?
have no clue.
I got vanilla
Good Lord.
bean on my fingers. Looks like.
I'm okay, y'all. I'm sitting here beating this freaking pan to death.
Help Mariah. She needs to get that on the side.
Trying to get this.
Ah, flicked it on me.
stupid-
There's poo on me.
What the hell? What are you doing?
She's trying to get the confection sugar on the sides of the pan.
But it won't stick.
What do you mean on the sides? Like up on the sides?
If you can.
I can't get it to stick though on all the sides though.
Well, yeah, for.
Just do it as best you can. All right. I got my vanilla bean scrapings.
Well, that's a hell of a lot of convection.
I know.
Yeah, you don't want all that, probably.
Mom, it's what I asked you. Oh my gosh. Oh, I was busy.
I'm busy
Here.
scraping my beans.
Here it says dust a 13 by 9-inch cake pan with confectioner's sugar.
I'm dusting
and
like
pour
hell.
the marshmallow mixture over the top. Okay, here we go. Let's see.
Oopsie.
Oh dear. And it's on the floor.
Oh dear.
Powdered sugar on the floor.
Get it off the floor.
It's not fat.
Doggy,
Not fat.
doggy.
Don't
Mom,
get have it.
relax.
Get the doggy.
Oh, there you go. Oh, yeah. Mama's got plumber's crack.
I need my blender things. Look out.
Ah,
Mariah. Mariah.
what?
Shoddy. Look out. Pop. Pop. Come on in here.
What?
Come on in here. Are you making marshmallows?
It's a family affair, y'all.
Yeah. Come on. I need you to hold the mixer, please.
Family
Okay.
affair. Okay, so what are we doing with this?
We're
So-
gonna leave that for now.
Okay.
Just put this over here.
Okay.
Okay. So now we're gonna mix with the mixer running on low. Slowly pour the hot syrup gelatin mixture over on that. Being very careful as it's very hot. Okay. Pop, where'd he go?
Outside. He's talking to Jimmy.
Of course he is. All right, fine. And we'll do this ourselves, I suppose. Okay, hold the mixer in here and on low.
And hope the camera doesn't fall in the sink.
We have to be very careful.
Over here.
No, one of us will have to do this while the other one is pouring the stuff.
Where is it?
Right here. So.
Look out.
Oh, come, all ye faithful, joyful and triumphant. Oh, come ye to Bethlehem, to Bethlehem. Come and behold him, born the King of angels, yeah. Come let us adore him. Come let us adore him. Come let us adore him. Let us adore him. Come let us adore him. Come let us adore him. Come let us adore him. Let us adore him. Gonna lift his name on high. His name on high. Gonna lift his name on high. Our Savior's born tonight. Oh, sing, choirs of angels. Oh, sing in exaltation. Oh, sing, all ye bright hosts of heaven above. Glory to God, say, come let us adore him. Come let us adore him. Come let us adore him. Let us adore him. Come let us adore him. Come let us adore him. Come let us adore him. Let us adore him. Gonna lift his name on high. His name on high. Gonna lift his name on high. Our Savior's born to the break of dawn, we're gonna sing this song. Celebrate the day that our Savior's born. Where love reached out to all of mankind. Born of a virgin on a starry night. So I'll set the clock back so we can go long. Cause you and you and you, we all belong to the one King. The real thing we sing.
And then it's done, right? So, yay.
Yeah.
All right, y'all. So this is what the homemade marshmallow mixture looks like, and this is gonna sit overnight to dry out, and we'll see what it looks like in the morning. Hopefully, it looks a lot like marshmallows.
And there we go.
And there it is.
Homemade marshmallows.
Yay! All right,
Yay.
that's it for right now.
That was very entertaining.
Yes, I'm sure I have a whole heck of a lot of footage. I'm gonna probably speed through a lot of it, so you won't have to sit there forever. All right, I'll talk to you guys a little bit later. This one was just dancing, doing a celebratory dance because we're having a bowl. We're having a wee bowling tournament, the Chance bowling tournament.
I got it.
Let's see if I can do this while holding the camera.
There. And a strike. Nice.
I just got a strike holding the camera. Yep, That's some talent right there.
Whoop, whoop.
All right, so
Mama.
Mama's up.
I just was pottying.
She got a stripe.
She wants somebody to give her ball for her. She got fuzz all over her face because she's trying to get her ball.
Mocha. Moki's digging under the couch because
What the hell was that?
she lost her blue ball she likes to play with.
She got one of those.
Trying to get her ball, Pot.
Chad's like, dang dog.
Well, what? You got all those other balls.
I know. I tried to do that last night. She wants that one. Oh.
Is he okay? Poor little girl.
What did she do?
She slipped.
Oh.
Slip, she's a chode.
Aw.
What's happening?
Come on, baby. Mwah. Are you kidding me?
He's very upset.
I just brought his Drano. Man.
Okay,
You
so
do this again. Watch this. Watch Ma. She got it.
I'm losing my thing here.
I don't want to lose my thing. She did it. No strike.
Yes.
Dad's trying to figure out why his knee looks different, Maya. I wonder why that would be.
I don't know, Mom.
Oh, I know he didn't. No.
Oh,
That's a Barbara Jane.
yeah. Just say.
Okay, so that's currently what we're doing right now. And that's pretty much gonna be Saturday night. So, I will see you guys in the morning. Good morning, my friends. It is 7 o'clock Sunday morning, and I figured I would show you a quick outfit of the day. Just because I need to go take care of the dogs and do some stuff before we leave for church. We don't have to leave today until like 8:15ish, so we have a little bit of time this morning, which is nice. So, alright, let's go ahead and get into the outfit of the day. Okay, hopefully you guys will be able to see this okay. This sweater, it's been a long time. I think it's probably from, I want to say Old Navy. And I just put a camisole underneath it just because it is a little bit low. Jeans are from Kohl's, and Converse, I think I got them from Payless. So, that is pretty much what is going on at the moment. Yeah. So, I'm going to go take care of the dogs, and yeah. I will see you guys after church. Hey everybody, so it is 3:08 Sunday afternoon, and we got back from church probably around, let's see, I'd venture to say darn it. Trying to do two things at once does not work. I would venture to say we probably got back from church around, let's see, Dad and I went to lunch first, so probably about 12:30. And I have done the first part of my ear training final for that music class. I've done the dictation final part of it, and then I do the singing portion Tuesday morning, really early Tuesday morning. So we're getting there, so that's good. It rained like cats and dogs here this morning in Sacramento, which is good because we really need the rain. It rained for, I don't know, probably a couple of hours, stopped around 1, so, which was good because we needed it. And yeah, there's really not much going on today, honestly. I need to fold some laundry. And I really don't have an agenda for today, in all honesty. So, I'm just hanging out with the pups, watching some CSI Miami. Mom and Dad just ran to the store because it's grocery store shopping day. So, They ran to the store. I've been flipping back and forth between CSI and the Packer Dallas game. We're Dallas fans, so it's looking very sad for us right now. But we shall see. It was 0-14, so Packers are kicking our butts. So yeah. Hopefully we're on the board. I don't know. We'll see. I think our luck has kind of ran out for us. So, oh well. You know, you get what you can get. So, yeah, I think that's pretty much it for right now. I really don't think anything exciting is gonna go on for the rest of the day, but you never know. So, yeah. So, I guess that's it for right now. So I will talk to you guys a little bit later. Alright, so
Let's see.
we're gonna go ahead and cut
Let's
the
try this.
marshmallows. Hopefully they're in a marshmallow like
Ooh, what's
form.
that? Okay, this first one's gonna be a giveaway, just like in a pie. The first one's always junky,
Yeah.
because you can't get it out. Hello,
Yay!
the marshmallow.
And
It
there's
looks
the
kind
marshmallow.
of rubbery.
What, the marshmallows?
Uh-huh.
Felt
Come,
rubbery.
come on, come over and taste it.
They felt rubbery.
Get over here, taste test person.
Just try to find them. Ah!
Here comes the taste test master.
The Michelin Man. It looks rubbery.
Shut up.
Shiitake.
Shut up, shiitake head. Okay.
How about a smaller piece to taste? I'm not tasting like a big old chunk of nothing.
They're gonna
Just
be good.
290 little sliver.
Oh, good lord. Just try it, you fag.
You're not supposed to say that on camera.
I can say it.
And
Okay,
that's
here, we'll
what
try it
passes
together.
for
Here,
endearment in this
we'll
house.
try it together.
What is it, flounder?
Oh, not flounder. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Marshmallow.
I was just making sure.
So you made her taste it first.
Yeah, in case she died.
Marshmallow.
It's it's marshmallow, but it's something.
Okay.
There's something.
All
Why
right
is it
then.
not good?
Ah,
They're good.
All right. Well, yay!
Yay, they worked.
Yay!
Yay us! We made marshmallows.
That's
And
true.
you found
did
out
mix
how to
them.
do the vanilla beans.
Yep. So yeah, it was a family effort.
It's a family affair. It's
Alright.
a family affair.
I think that's gonna be it for right now.
What was the score
So
of the Dallas game?
Dallas is a losing team.
Oh, yeah.
Yep.
Trounced. There was trounced.
They was
I
trounced.
knew they
What-
would be. That's
what was
why I
the
bet
final-
against them.
what was the final score?
28-7.
They're
Ooh.
succotash.
Congratulations, Packer fans.
I knowed it.
Yep.
Note it. What's that?
All right. So that's pretty much it for right now.
It's all on the home front.
Yeah.
We're making marshmallow.
Making marshmallows. I'll talk to you guys in a bit. Alright, my friends, it is 5:30 Sunday night, and we got the homemade marshmallows all packaged up and ready to send to family. So that was an accomplishment. Makes a whole heck of a lot of marshmallows. My goodness. How many does it make? 88? Is that what you said?
Well, that's what it said. I don't know that we got that many, but
Okay. Well, nevertheless,
a lot.
it makes a lot. So
And a mess.
yeah, and it makes a huge mess. So got that all finished and cleaned up. We're gonna have some creamy tomato tortellini soup for dinner. And I think that's pretty much it for the night. I really don't think anything else exciting is gonna go on. I think it's just gonna be hanging out. So, I think I'm gonna end the vlog here for the weekend. So I hope you guys had a great weekend. Thank you so much for watching as always. We really appreciate it. And I will talk to you guys next weekend. Bye!